Hello! Hi guys, my name is Simone, and if you're new to this channel, welcome to the channel. Anyways, okay, so welcome to the very last part of the concert series. If you want to watch all the other parts, I will leave them in the description box so you can watch them before this one. Okay, so this one is the last one, and this contains just a few tips how to make your queuing experience the best it can be. So obviously you have to do, to make it best it can be, you need to watch all the videos before this one. So all of the other preparation is done, you've packed perfectly, you got the tickets you wanted, you've got all your traveling already booked and your train, so that's all sorted. Now you need to worry about how to not be annoying in the queue. The thing that this is mainly about is the queuing system. Okay, so this is the queuing system in nearly all of the queues. I'm not saying that it's at all the queues, but 99% of all the queues I've been in, this is how it works. Basically, you show up whenever you want, a week before, a day before, a few hours before, whatever you want to do. You go there to the venue, you look for the queue, walk around the venue, look on social media if something's on there, and once you find the queue, you get a number. Probably be in your hand or somewhere, you get a number. For example, you get 55, so that's you're the 55th person to enter the venue. So it honestly depends on where you are, on what you're allowed to do, but usually you have to stay, and like if it's a day before, you have to sleep there. You cannot just sleep the whole night in your hotel. Obviously you can go back to get food or maybe just leave for a few hours. It honestly depends on the people who do the list and who do the numbering system. It really depends on that, so you should ask those people. But in Europe, where I live and all the queues I've been in, this is usually how it works. You either get a wristband or a number in your hand, and then just have fun, talk to people around you. That's like the main thing that I love, is that you get to meet so many new people who are exactly the same as you. They're just as crazy about, for me, Harry or any other One Direction member, to queue and camp out for them. You share their stories, maybe they've met them, and talk about other concerts you've been to and how did you, I don't know, it's just such a nice thing. Oh, it just feels like a family, like you're all there for the same reason. It's just such a nice feeling to just, I don't know, I just love queuing with people I've never met before, and I don't know, I've met so many friends through it, people I still talk to, and I don't know, it's just such a nice thing. Yeah, just get comfortable, get your tent up, get your blow-up bed up, whatever you do, get comfortable. Obviously you are allowed to leave to like pee and get food and maybe sleep in your hotel for a few hours, shower and all that, but mostly you have to be in the queue where there's a dog barking, hello doggy, or just stay around the area. So yeah, maybe they do checkups like at every single 2 hours you need to be at a certain place if the venue doesn't allow you to camp there or stay there. But once again, it totally depends on the venue and the country and the people who do the list. Oh, it's just so difficult to do this video because it's not always the same, but this is the only thing. This is just basically how I can prepare you for the queue as much as I can from my experience. So for the rest of the queue, just enjoy yourself, sing songs. It's just like camping out with like loads of people who are just like you. Don't be one of those people who leaves the queue for like the whole night, come back and expect people to be okay with it while everyone else has been there the whole night. Obviously it's not nice camping out in the rain or in the snow or in cold weather, but everyone's done it. So if you're the only person who hasn't done that, other people don't think you'll deserve your spot back. And you're all in this together. Just don't be that person who's just, I don't know. And it also depends on the circumstances, by the way, but yeah, for the rest, make sure you're warm, make sure you bring enough food, make sure you eat enough during the day. Queuing itself, you won't get enough sleep, you probably won't eat enough, and when you're in an atmosphere at a concert where it's just a lot of adrenaline, it's really warm inside, you might faint. And one thing that you don't want to happen is fainting when you've been camping out for 3 days to stand close to the stage. So make sure you eat enough, even if you're not feeling it, still eat, try to eat as much, not as much, but try to eat sugar, try to eat sweet things to maintain your blood sugar level, because that is important, otherwise you will faint and you don't want that to happen. Always listen to security, just be respectful to everyone, you know, treat people with kindness, as Harry would say. Treat everyone with kindness, don't make people feel bad. If you see someone on their own, sit with them, talk to them, kind of, just make everyone feel nice, yeah? Just make it a good experience for everyone. If you're on your own as well, I've done queuing on my own, just went there on my own and just made friends there. It works. It was good. I've made such good friends in the queue. So many people I still talk to, and I think that's also such an important thing of the whole queuing thing. make friends, get to know new people, make new friendships. I don't know, I just love making friends through that. Yeah, and also don't push, don't run, stay calm, don't be that person who's gonna run and just gonna mess up the whole system. If there's anything you can do to make everything go perfectly, do that. And yeah, and that is all I can say to prepare you for queuing. And if it's raining, bring an umbrella, bring ponchos. The most important message is bring food. It's important. Drink enough water, drink enough sweet things. Just make sure you won't faint. That is the most important thing. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this little, just a few last bits I wanted to mention to, just make the queuing, a nice experience, because obviously sitting outside in the cold weather isn't always great. So I hope that these last few tips will make you look back at the queuing as a positive experience instead of a shitty experience, which it can be sometimes due to weather conditions or any other things. So I just hope I helped you with this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribed and watched all the other videos from the concert series I filmed before this one. And then I will see you next week with another video on my channel. Bye bye!